G'day Throttlers, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm in my Polo GTI and I'm actually going for a drive with my friend that has a Porsche GT3. So pretty exciting. I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with him, but he's hoping we'll at least not look too crazy slow next to the GT3. It's going to be nice. I've just arrived at the Pie in the Sky, which is on the Old Pacific Highway north of Sydney. This is a very, very popular place for motorcycles and cars alike. It's a Friday morning, it's 10:30. I think the roads might be a bit busy today, but we'll see. I know there's a lot of bikes over here to have a quick look at, but I'm going to have a coffee, have a pie for breakfast, and then I'm going to hit the road with my Polo GTI and a Porsche GT3.
Trust and I gave you everything that you need, but you only told me lies and you made me realize that, babe, you ain't no good for me. I can't be with you, you can't be true, and I know just what I got to do. Gonna hit the ground running, running, running just as fast as I can. Gonna hit the ground running.
Alright, a busy little place this morning in at Pie in the Sky. Looked like there was a bit of a birthday party for some older riders. So Armando and I are just about to take off from Pie in the Sky. Well, he's taken off and I'm going to hit it right now too. For those of you who are ever in Sydney, or live in Sydney of course, the Pie in the Sky is always just an eclectic mix of amazing machines. Every single beautiful motorcycle you could ever imagine, from classics to sports bikes to cruisers, and as you saw by some of that footage, there's always a hot rod, classic cars as well, beautiful sports cars. It's just an amazing place to dream about other cars, you might say, and also just chat to some really interesting enthusiasts. Everyone's equal when they go to Pie in the Sky. We all just want a coffee and a pie and a chat about our machines. Very cool place. So I'm really loving the Polo GTI. This is probably the second proper drive I've been on with it, and I know that Armando isn't going too fast in his 911 GT3. However, on the bends, I'm doing a pretty good job of keeping up with him within reason. So I'm really impressed by the GTI. Now, my favourite thing so far about it is the DSG gearbox, and I know that that's what a lot of people don't like about it, but I absolutely love it. Like, we're just cruising now and I can put it in auto mode in the drive selector, so it just travels along at relatively low revs, just keeps it efficiently moving, but still plenty of power when you want to accelerate. Now then, if I want to keep it in auto but still have a bit of fun, I just pull the lever down, it switches into sport mode, and the revs hold higher, the exhaust sounds nicer, and you can still have fun in auto. But then all you do is knock it over into manual, and you have the full access to the paddle shifts to choose your own gears whenever you want. Now, I do have to say that even when it's in manual, if you are very aggressive on the throttle, it will sometimes decide to shift on its own. That is one thing I don't like, but it's completely livable, and for all the other bonuses that this car gives me, I love it. I love it, guys. It's such a fun little car. And if this is on your shopping list amongst super mini hatches, I would consider it. Even though it's not a manual, definitely consider it. I absolutely love this. I'm having so much fun. And no doubt we're coming into more bends shortly, which means I'll just knock it over in the manual and off we go again. But yeah, loving it. And what's even better is listening to the exhaust on that bloody GT3 911 in front of me. It sounds phenomenal. Anyway, onward with the drive. Stop in Spencer for a drink and a catch up and a chat, and on the road again for the Wisemans Ferry. One thing's for certain, on a drive day or on a ride day with me, I've either got to start the ride or finish the ride with some really good food. Today I'm stopping in at a cafe called BENZIN Cafe, and I've been meaning to come here for quite some time, and yesterday David Bourne put up a video and interviewing the owner, Daniel, and I'll link that at the top of the screen right now if you'd like to check that out. It's actually a really detailed and good interview. But I'm going to stop in, have a quick feed, and then it's time to head home. Yeah. Coming out. Here we go. Well, the belly's full and it was absolutely delicious. It was, you saw it in the video, but it was a beef brisket burger. Armando had a Hawaiian poke bowl, which he said was delicious too. So definitely worth a check out of the BENZIN Cafe. That's it for the video, guys. Armando's about to take off. I'm following right behind and heading home for the day. Thanks again for watching. If you like the video, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Tap that bell icon to stay in touch. And until the next video, folks, throttle on, stay safe, see you later.